Yes, May saw our blossoms grow. The seasons spin a golden thread, a golden thread of words we said. Oh, love is like a changing year, with days of joy and nights of fear. We walk together in the sun before the winter had begun. June brought warmth